Immaculate Paint Protection is hiring. We are looking for a vehicle preparation technician. You'll get the vehicles clean, spotless, looking immaculate before paint protection film or ceramic coating services. You will also be responsible for helping to keep the shop clean. You'll wipe down the vehicles at the end of every job. Vehicle paint protection film and ceramic coatings are in high demand. Prior automotive experience? Not really necessary. We'd prefer someone with a quality mindset and a customer-focused mindset. You need to have respect for our clients. The Ferrari is just as important as the Hyundai or Mazda that is in the shop. We'll train. Seriously, we have a comprehensive training program. And we'll provide you an opportunity to grow in our organization. We do 4 things in Immaculate Paint Protection: quality, 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 and customer service. Our current client base, they keep coming back for a 5-star service. They're looking for the best paint protection and the best ceramic coatings around. We need your help to maintain our 5-star client relations. You're gonna help us in the beginning of the process. You're gonna help us get the vehicle surgically clean prior to paint protection film installing or prior to our ceramic coating installation processes. Here's what we're looking for: people that have an attention to detail, people that want to learn, people that have a focus for quality and customer service. We're looking for somebody with an attitude that's willing to go above and beyond. We're looking for somebody with a great attitude that's willing to help our clients. We're looking for somebody that's always going to take care of our clients first. We're looking for somebody that's willing to learn, somebody that's willing to grow. Prior experience is not necessary. We will train you. We're looking to train. We're going to give you all the tools, all the training, and we're going to help you further your talent here at Immaculate Paint Protection. This will be a career for you. If you have a client service, client customer, hospitality mindset, we're looking for you here at Immaculate Paint Protection.